Well, we are at the Dresden main train station, and we are finding that there is a bit of a learning curve on European trains. We found that there is a difference between holding a ticket to a train, which gets you on the train, and having a seat on that very train. Fortunately, we were able to get that figured out, but we found people on the last train sitting in the hallway and on the floor because they bought a ticket but did not buy a seat. So these are teachable moments here, learning a little bit about train travel. It is funny because when you first fire up a Google search for a train from Dresden to Munich, it lists things as cheap as $15. But apparently that is just to get you on the train, and for 5 hours you'll be sitting or standing. So we were able to get some tickets and actually have a seat. Leaving here at noon, and then we're going to be in Munich at about 5 p.m. The hotel, the Art Hotel, is right around the corner from the main train station, and in kind of a funky little neighborhood. Because it is a Saturday and the start of summer break for school children, we went on Open Table and made a reservation for this evening so that that would go smoothly. And then probably tomorrow or the day after, we're going to make our pilgrimage out to Dachau. A serious and somber occasion, but something that I think is important to do, to observe what people are capable of. So, off to Bavaria. Parker out.